Rachel, and I am part of the Teen Library Advisory Board, or TLAB. Today, I'm going to show you how to make double chocolate chip ice cream using this Cuisinart ice cream maker with freezer bowls.
The ingredients you'll need are 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of whole milk, 2 cups of heavy cream, a pinch of salt, half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of mini chocolate chips. First, whisk together the cocoa powder, sugars, and salt in a medium bowl. Then add the whole milk and use a hand mixer on low speed to combine. Stir for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the sugars have dissolved. Then stir in the vanilla and heavy cream. Once you have your ice cream base, turn the machine on, pour the mixture into a freezer bowl, and let it mix for 15 minutes. Add the chocolate chips and let it mix for another 5 minutes. Then transfer the ice cream to a container and store it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours.
And there you go, homemade chocolate ice cream. You can leave it as is or add caramel sauce, berries, whipped cream, or any other topping of your choice. Personally, I added berries because I love the combination of berries and chocolate. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to check out the link in the description for more summer recipes. We'll be posting more DIY and recipe videos throughout the summer, so stay tuned. And follow us on Instagram, @Palo Alto TLAB and @Palo Alto Library.